To clean the milk system of your Siemens EQ.6 Plus more thoroughly, you should run the automatic cleaning program on a regular basis. First, select Cleaning and Maintenance in the menu. Then, Clean Milk System. Press the Start/Stop button to start the program. Take an empty glass and place it under the beverage outlet. Place the end of the suction pipe into the glass. Press the Start/Stop button again. The milk system cleans itself automatically. Once the program has finished, clean the suction pipe with a cloth. And empty the glass. The milk system is now clean, and your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.